All right, so we're going to look at number 8 right now, which is this problem here. The length of a certain rectangle is 3 centimeters greater than its width. If the width was doubled and the length was decreased by 1 centimeter, the new rectangle would have the same perimeter as the original. So we're trying to find the dimensions of the new rectangle. So essentially we're trying to find width and length of the new rectangle, but we first have to figure out the width and length of the original. Okay, so I'm going to write this on a separate piece just so I have a little bit of room here. So the first thing it looks like I'm given is that I'm given everything compared to width. So I'm going to, as soon as I see a problem like this, I like to just draw a picture out. So I know I have my width here, and that this is my original. We'll put in, it is, the length is 3 centimeters greater than its width. So W plus 3. That would be enough to show that you're defining your variables, or you could just say W equals width and W plus 3 equals length. Okay, and then from here, then they tell me that I get a new rectangle that has twice, the width is doubled. So I'm going to draw this out a little bit longer, I guess, and something more like this, I guess. So this will be 2W then if it was doubled. Okay, and then the length was decreased by 1. So not drawn to scale, but if I decrease W plus 3 by 1, it'll be W plus 2. Okay, so this is my new rectangle. And then from here, I want to, it tells me that the perimeter of this one is equal to the perimeter of this one. So that means if I'm finding perimeter, I'm adding all 4 sides up. So that means that over this triangle, I know it's made up of 2W plus 2 times W plus 3. And then same thing over here. This is going to be 2 sides of 2W. So 2 times 2W plus 2W plus 2. Okay. From here, I'm going to distribute. So it'll look like so. Okay, and then I want to combine my like terms. So I get 4W plus 6 equals 6W plus 4. Subtract from here. I'm going to get 6 equals 2W plus 4. Almost done here. We're going to get down to 2 equals 2W. And then from there, we'll obviously want to divide by 2. So 1 will equal W. But I have to remember that's for my original rectangle up here. They asked me to solve for the dimensions of the new rectangle. So for my new rectangle, it's 2W. So I can just do 1 times 2. So my new rectangle has dimensions of 2 centimeters equal for the width. And then if I did the same thing up here, W plus 2 would equal 3 centimeters for length and 2 centimeters for width. And that would end question number 8.